Hello everyone, I'm Agent Catrice. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and on today's video I am going to be showing you 10 unique styles for short starter locks, starting with the style that I have now. And if you're interested, continue watching this video. What you will need is bobby pins or some form of a pin. I use these type of elastic or rubber band.
So I realized after recording that I didn't record myself moisturizing my hair before I started styling, but I want everyone to know that this literally the most important stage in styling your hair. And so I put a list of things to hydrate and lock in the moisture with.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. I can get away from these visuals and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you.
That was the first style.
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Home cheese, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Like this, and so I wouldn't put them that way to twist exactly the same way that they go. I would do it the opposite way. So put this one on top of this one under this one. Yep.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away from these beach views But until my well runs dry, send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 deep,
I'm just here to tell you that this channel is all about loving your hair through every single stage, loving your locks especially through every single stage, and you can make it work for you. You could try any style that you want. Just don't give up on your hair. Don't get discouraged. Love your hair. Love your locks. Love your journey.